Hey, what's up, guys? Make myself bigger here. It's Miss Stewart, and I just wanted to talk to you all because it asks you to track in your data tracker in your folder. That's these folders that I gave to you on your first day, okay? And it in the inside has a letter and a pencil. Pencil's yours, letter should have went home, okay? And then you have your data tracker here. You need to fill this out. It starts with the lesson name, the date, and then it asks your score if you've passed or not passed, one thing you learned, and questions you have. You're only required to pass one lesson per week, okay? So put the lesson name here, again, the date, what score you had on it, if you passed or you didn't pass, and one thing you learned, and any questions you have. You need to do this every time that you are doing iReady, okay? So if you have questions about this, let me know. Otherwise, this is what you need to be filling out as you do your iReady.